Hi everyone, welcome to Scratch tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about how to upload a backdrop and also about the different motion blocks in Scratch. So first I'm going to create a new project here. I'm going to talk about the go to block. Okay, so you can see that it is telling go to a random position. So if I click this block, you can see that the cat is moving to any random position in my screen. Okay, and next I'm going to tell you how to upload a backdrop. So if you want to upload a backdrop, go to the right hand side corner in the bottom. And if you see here, you have the option to choose a backdrop. Click that option and you will have all the backdrops in the Scratch library. Select anything among that. So I'm going to select a XY grid. So in order to explain go to X and Y, I have to explain you first the XY coordinate in details. So you can see that XY is a two-dimensional coordinate. The horizontal axis is told the X coordinate and the vertical axis is called the Y coordinate. And in the center, the value for both the X and Y coordinate is 0. Now, if I move horizontal direction in the right hand side, you can see on the top of the X coordinate, the Y value is always 0, and on the right hand side, I move with the positive X value. Similarly, if I have to move to the left hand side, the X value become exactly opposite of the right hand side, which means in the left hand side X value will be negative, and on the top of the X coordinate the Y value is always 0. Similarly, for the Y coordinate, if you see on the top of the Y axis, X value is always 0, and if we move in the upward direction, we change the Y value with the positive amount, and if we move in the bottom direction, we change the Y value with a negative one. Let's go back to the Scratch. Now, how can I get the coordinate value? So you can see if I just write here x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, and if I click that, you can see that the cat has moved to the center of my screen. Similarly, I can mention the position over here and I can make the cat to move accordingly. Say for example, if I want to move the cat over here, I can drag the cat to the position, and you can see on the left hand side my X and Y value has changed. So whichever position you want, drag the cat to that particular position and get the updated value from the left hand side. So I'm going to get total 4 different locations for the cat, and I'm going to build a code accordingly. Now, if you see, if I click one by one, the cat will go to the its position mentioned in the XY value. So if I start with this, if you see that the cat is in the second coordinate, now if I click this, the cat is to the first coordinate. If I click this, the cat is going to the fourth coordinate, and if I click this, the cat is going to the third coordinate. Now we can make a sequential movement of the cat. In order to do that, we need to have a repeat or a forever block under the control. So I'm going to get a forever block here, and I'm going to delete this block. And now if I just put all the 4 blocks sequentially together, And then if I just click it, you can see that you are not able to see any movement. That is due to the fact that the sequential movement is too fast that we are not able to visualize that. In order to avoid that, what we have to do, we can add one small delay for each step. So here I'm just going to duplicate the wait statement and I'm going to add after each movement block. So in order to duplicate the wait block, click on the right hand side of your mouse pad and you have the option of duplicate. So duplicate it 4 times. And you can specify the wait statement. I'm going to put a wait for 0.2 second. And now I'm going to add the wait statement at the end of the each movement block. So now you can see that the cat is moving in a sequential order. So that was all about today's video. I will see you in the next video with a different motion block, including the glide option in the Scratch. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our videos. If you like these videos, please do subscribe to our channel and also share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.